Here's a side hustle that is so simple, even a 14-year-old kid can do it. You don't have to spend any money to get it set up, and it's gonna make you passive income for years to come. Now, let me show you how. Go to Pinterest and create a free business account. After you've created your own free business account, go and click on ads. This is where you're gonna find trendy items that are being sold really well on Pinterest. You can pick the type of trends you want. I'm gonna go with seasonal trends. Since the 4th of July is coming up, it's a great opportunity to make money. Next, head over to canva.com, create a symbol design for the 4th of July. Next, you're gonna go to Printify and you're gonna create a free account. Go to catalog and then find one of the bestseller t-shirts. Then pick one you like, put your design on it. Next, go to etsy.com and create a free account. Then go back to Printify and connect your Etsy account. Now, the reason why we're connecting our Etsy store and Printify together, it's because when somebody buys through your Etsy store, Etsy is gonna send the data to Printify. Printify is gonna ship and create the product and send it straight to the customer, which means it's all hands off. Like I said, this is completely automated, which means you're gonna be earning passive income whether you're going to work, whether you're sleeping, whether you're driving, whether you're going on vacation, you will be making money. Don't forget to save this video and follow along for more ways to make money online. And if you're interested in how I make 5 figures per month, also passively from home, head over to my bio, get my step-by-step free ebook. It's gonna teach you exactly what it is that I do and how you can do it too.